1st of June 2019. I'm here in the United Kingdom in one of the big supermarkets. This is the direction of travel here in the United Kingdom. You can see right in front of me electric cars. You will see that all the major brands have now started making mass production of electric cars. This is the direction of travel. You can see a Vauxhall electric car, a Mercedes-Benz C220, a Mitsubishi, and a VW Golf. The interesting thing is this: they're charging their cars here and it's costing them what? Can you see? It's free charging. Can you see? So those of you that are still driving petrol cars, spending £1.30 per litre, and the governments that are focusing 100% on just producing oil, this is the future. You've seen it live. We need to start thinking. We need to start diversifying, like the world is going to end tomorrow, or else we're going to be left behind. So it's just for people to ponder. This is a Golf electric VW Golf. As you can see, they are all charging their cars here. Everybody.